We are making our egg drop right here, and this is the first stages where we're paper macheing a boat. I'm just reinforcing it with some masking tape to paste away some flyway newspapers. I'm going to go dig up some dirt, put it in this bag, and put it in the egg for the bottom layer. Bag full of dirt. Here I've got handfuls of leaves straight from my family's compost pile. Now, I have 3 layers. These are made with sticks and paper that's cut to let the egg fall through more easily. What's going to happen is there'll be 3 layers. The top layer will be holding the egg. When it hits, the impact will make the egg fall through the top layer, fall through the second layer, fall through or be caught by the third layer. And if it falls through, it'll fall through on leaves. And what this does is help increase time of impact, as the egg has to fall through 3 layers before coming to rest. So right now I'm going to explain how the physics behind why our egg drop is going to work. A little sketch of our egg drop. It's about the shape of an egg. Little there. Has a hole right here. And the hook coming up here. In our egg drop, there are going to be 3 layers. Layer number 1, right there. This is made up of a piece of paper, 2 sticks of wood, and in the middle of the piece of paper, there's a little kind of X where the egg can fall through to make it easier for it to fall through. Then there's going to be a second layer, number 2. Same thing, egg can fall through. The egg will be lying on the first layer. And the third layer, again, paper, X, egg can fall through all 3. Then there's a layer of leaves straight from my family's compost pile and a bag of dirt to weigh it down. There will be less impulse, as bouncing causes twice the impulse, and we want to reduce impulse as well. So the dirt on the bottom reduces impulse because it stops it. It goes. It's not able to bounce. The dirt also makes it heavier so that it'll fall faster. Our egg drop's purpose is to increase time of impact, therefore reducing force. This happens because the change of momentum is a fixed thing. You have a velocity and a mass when you're falling. When you hit, you have a velocity and mass. It's going to be 0 because you're at rest. So you know that change of momentum is fixed, and the 2 things that go into change of momentum are force and time. If force is larger, then time is smaller. If time is larger, therefore force is smaller. So in this case, we're more scared of force, because that would break the egg, than time. So we want to increase time, as therefore decreasing force. What this design does is, when the egg hits, bam, the egg will fall through the first layer, fall through the second layer, fall through, and get to the third layer, where it will either fall through and land on the leaves or be caught. What this accomplishes a larger time, as if it was just in one position, it would hit and come to rest. But this, it hits and it falls through. It puts a lot of seconds on the time. This reduces force on the egg and hopefully make the egg survive.